Cat 259D. We're back at it again. I just backed this off the trailer and it will not go forward. I'll fire it up and show you what it's doing. Alright, it'll go backwards, left, right. The moment it goes forward, throws the code. Right there. The only thing I can do is turn it off and turn it on again, and it might lurch forward for like a second and then it stops. This is on a job too. This is so embarrassing. Alright, right off the rip here, it is really dirty in there. And when you look in this one, it's not as dirty at all. And this one feels way different than this one. This one's, I think this one's been replaced and this one hasn't. Let's investigate some more here. All right, I'm gonna take these out. These are T30s. 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. Okay, those 3 were T30s. This one's a T25. They probably just switched that up to annoy me personally. There we go. Okay, I'm going for that handle now. Those are T20s. Okay. I'm inclined to believe that this is okay because these buttons still work. And I'm thinking maybe that. Looks like 4 Allens. It's 5mm fits it. Okay, I got those loose. The wiring's holding it. And I can see the connector right here and it's zip tied. Okay. And then this is zip tied to here. There we go. I think this is our culprit. I don't see any chafes on the wiring. I'm totally in a hurry to see this thing move again. I'm gonna go grab one of these. Yay us. That was $600. The good thing is they had it in stock. It's kind of cool. It's got the zip ties right there. That's handy. Plug her back in. There we go. Okay, this is pretty self-explanatory. Allens. I'm going to zip tie the harness back on. Then I'm going to put the little side cover on. Then I'm going to fish another zip tie under here. You could have taken some of these bolts out and folded this up. That probably would have been the smarter thing to do, but I didn't do that. I'll tap back in once I get this together. Okay, I got my wiring all zip tied back up. Got the base all bolted down. Let's put that cover on and see if that fixed the issue. Alright, all that's together. Let's fire it up, see if it works. Okay, here we go. we fixed it. Well, we fixed it. $600 part. I think I charged $400 for this job. So, not a good day. If you liked that video, maybe think of subscribing. Thanks.